Here are 15 powerful AI tools that can boost your productivity, creativity, and daily workflow, whether you're a student, creator, or professional. Let's explore what they can do for you, one by one. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 1. Easily search and enter this website. Click on this option, and then you will find all the AI tools you need. You don't have to search separately online to find any tools. Now click on the tools you want to use, and you will immediately get many AI related to those tools. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 2. Did you know you can easily do Python programming with ChatGPT? Let's try this. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to code a game using Python. The AI will immediately generate the game code. Simply click here and copy it. Our AI-made game is ready. Easy. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 3. Simply search this website on Google and enter. Click here to select style and character. And then here enter the details prompt of what you want to create illustration of. Then click on the generate option. The illustration will be created for you within 10 to 40 seconds. You can download it by clicking here. Powerful AI websites you didn't know exist. Part 4. Struggling with digital marketing? Copy.ai is here to help. Create blog posts, ad copies, social media captions, emails, and more in seconds. It's fast, easy, and ensures high-quality content. Try Copy.ai for free and boost your productivity today. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 5. Easily access this website by searching on Google. You can convert text to 3D or images to 3D with this AI. First of all, select an option from here according to your needs. Then enter the prompt here and click the Generate option. The 3D model is ready, you can customize it. Powerful AI website you need to know, Part 6. Easily access this website by searching on Google. Meet Microsoft Copilot. It will make your daily life more easier. For example, write whatever you want here and send, and the result is ready immediately. With this, you can handle tasks like recipes, resumes, etc. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 7. Simply search on Google and visit this website. Here you can expand any image for free and unlimited without logging in. Easily upload by clicking here. Then select the size and generate. The generation will be complete in a few seconds. Then click here to download. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 8. Did you know that only a few people know about this website? Here you can generate videos using just your photos and a few elements. Click here, select the element option, and generate it by uploading a few elements, including your photo. The video will be ready in a few minutes. Click here to download. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 9. Did you know if you go to this website? With it, you can write blogs, emails, scripts, and much more. Simply write your prompt here. Click here to send. In a short while, this AI will do the best job for you. You can even customize it from here as needed. Powerful AI website you didn't know existed, Part 10. Did you know if you go to this website? Here you can create your presentation professionally and easily with prompts, notes, and files. For example, I will create a presentation with a prompt. Then I will write the command here and send it. Outline is ready now. Select the theme. The results are here. You can customize or save from here. Powerful AI website you need to know, Part 11. Did you know if you go to this website? Here you can easily generate timely social media posts or captions at any time, fully powered by AI. Simply enter what you want the caption to be about here and select the tone and voice, number of hashtags, and post length below to generate it. AI will immediately create a caption for you. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 12. Did you know if you go to this website? Here you can easily do product photography for your business for free with AI. Click here to upload first, then click here to generate. Wait a while for the generation complete. And within minutes, stunning product photography is ready for your business. Click here to download. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 13. Did you know if you go to this website? Here you will find more than 200 AI tools together. Notable among these are image tools, video tools, writing tools, etc. You will also find all the most popular tools here. Powerful AI website you should know, Part 14. Did you know if you go to this website? Here you can create popular Ghibli-style photos for free. First of all, click here. Now, click here and select the photo. And then write this prompt here. Send and wait a while. After generation complete, click here. Finally, click here to save. Powerful AI website you need to know, Part 15. Did you know if you go to this website? Here, you can create a perfect workout plan for yourself completely free. First, fill out this form carefully. Then click here to generate. You've got a weekly workout plan ready for you, which will act as your personal trainer. That's it. Which AI tool did you like most? Let us know in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart tools like these.